In today's video, I'll simply show you on how you can measure shapes on Tinkercad using a ruler. So let's navigate through our work plane right here, and simply inside, it's as simple as clicking on this specific button or pressing R on your keyboard. Now when you press this, your mouse icon will then change into this L shape. You can just click on your work plane right here, and right after this will show up. Basically with this one, the measures is set to millimeters. So if I then adjust this right here, and the way that you can measure your shape is by clicking on your shape after placing the ruler tool. From there, we will be able to see that my item or my shape is 40 millimeters high, it's 42 millimeters wide, and from here we have other measurements that we can simply use. And so, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.